Hello, YouTube friends and family. Friends and family. Friends and family. First, thank you so much for watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is just going to be a little quick call. Quick call. And first, I would like to retract or correct my last haul. If you did not go see it, go back and look at it. The Pop Shelf 50% off haul. So that was 50% off for the Memorial Day weekend. It ran about 4 or 5 days. I love Pop Shelf. I drive out of the state to go to Pop Shelf, even though it's 30 minutes, because I'm in North Florida. I drive out of the state to go to Pop Shelf. I go there about once every 3 months, so stay tuned. I'm starting to pay attention to my emails from them, because if I had, I would have known about that sale and been able to get it on the first day, because those were some amazing deals, half off. But and garden stuff too. Yes. So I forgot to get these because they were still in the car, but they were half off, so they were $2 a bag for the potting seed starting mix. So that is something very good to have when you're a gardener. So, but this haul is something different, but I do want you to go check out that haul. I'm gonna link it above. I have a quick Marshall's haul. So I just had a day in Kingsland. I love to go shopping there. It's so quiet, serene, and the stores are stocked. The staff are nice. It's no stinking attitudes. I just like to go. I just like to go. So I spent a day out there and I spent a lot of money. A lot of money. Ooh, my Cash App's in the description box below. If you would like to support the channel, go ahead and shoot a girl some. So I thought am I confused? I thought I didn't get these. I might be returning these because I thought these was on the return. I don't know. I might have made a mistake. But I got some, summer shorts, some summer things. And these were, they put these regular prices. They've never sold for the regular price. $58, $14.99. Yeah, right. And then I got some black. And they were, D Jeans is very forgiving. D Jeans is very curvy friendly. Fit girl friendly, very forgiving. So if you have the opportunity to try on a pair of these, because these are 14, and I noticed they cut these, they cutting these clothes 2 sizes bigger than they supposed to be in some cases. So these were $15.99. And these are commonly found in Marshalls. It's not a fluke. They are always in Marshalls. And they are plenty of stretch. Plenty of room and give, and they're thin, so they'll work in the summertime. And then, so I was influenced. The influencer was certainly influenced. And I watched Plant-Based Beauty Helen H, and she got these half hats. And I was like, those are cool. Well, that sent the if you give a mouse a cookie in me. And so we'll discuss that. But these were like retail 26. And child, I don't know what I spent. Oh, $12.99. $12.99. So the back of this hat is out. So if you have a ponytail, if you have braids, you can just pull them out the back and still wear a cap with your braids. So I got that. And this is Adidas. And then this. So this is the little crossbody bag. And now we wear them up close to the chest. Harder to snatch, because if you get that close to me, you get knocked out anyway. So we got the cross bag. And it has even a side pocket for your phone. It's pretty spacious on the inside. Adidas. And It says 40 retail. And it was actually clearance, red tag, $7.50. So I did something at the register. Ask not, want not. That's my motto. I said, well, if this in this color, in this line is on sale, can you confirm that this shouldn't have a red tag on it either? But of course, no, that didn't work. But at least I asked and now I know. But it was the last one in the store. No, actually, it might have been one more of these little bags for $7.50, but that was the last hat in the store like that. So then, I know this is on my kind of sort of do not buy list, but I've been kind of drinking through it. So I got some turmeric lemon ginger tea. This is good for those aches, pains, and soreness. And this tea was, and it's good to 2026. And it was $3.79. And then I found this Madras coffee. It is just add hot water, instant coffee, chicory latte. So I'm trying to kind of cut back, even though that's very hard for me. These are 10 individual packets, so good for travel. And it was $3.99. Because, yeah, you open up a packet. 10 individual packets. And then I spent 90. Hold up. I spent $91 in this haul. Oh, wow. $91. So I got this. This is for refrigerators, pantries, or whatever. And it has suction cups for non-slip. And this rotates and pivots. Let me see if I can get it to where you can see it. It rotates and pivots. It's a larger tray for deeper fridges. And it rotates and pivots so you can get to the stuff in the back or down the side. So I said I'll give this a try, and it was on clearance for $10. Okay, I got another haul of film. That's why I'm like very careful as to where I put this. And then what I really went for, this is what I went out that day for. Part of what I went out that day for is pots. This is a beautiful pot, very large. This is indoor. I wouldn't put this one outside because it's very nice. But you could, on a patio or something like that. And it was $17. So Walmart sells a similar pot to this, maybe slightly bigger, but they wanted like $30 for it. Now it's $30. Last year it was like $27. I couldn't bring myself to pay that. So I ended up, oh, this is heavy, with this. These are so heavy. I think it's a better quality than what would have gotten at Walmart too. And it was $17. So this is where my green ZZ is going because it's about to outgrow. So I got to move her up, pot her, and all of that. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that video. And I hopefully already got some stands I bought on clearance to sit this on. Then I'll just put one of the plastic drip trays if I have one this large. But this is a beautiful pot. So that is the place to go first to look for pots, because you'll see in my next haul the difference. It's a difference. But yeah, this is for indoor. Very pretty, very beautiful, and very heavy. And I think my ZZ plant will have a couple of years to grow in there. Because it's like shooting out, getting new offshoots. And then seems like it wants more room. She ain't said it yet, but I can look at her and tell. And that's the green ZZ. Now the black ZZ I just repotted recently, so hopefully I have another at least 6 months with that one. But that was my haul. That's all I got for $91. Scary, isn't it? You know that ain't my MO, but Marshalls ain't no joke either. But I'm so happy you watched this video. Thank you so much. I see I got a few new subscribers recently. Welcome, welcome to the channel. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. When I catch real good deals, I do go ahead and maybe do a short in the store within hours of me, you know, while I'm in the store, and then release it that same day in a couple of hours after I leave the store. So that'll be a good chance to catch many of these deals and give you time to catch them before they're too late. Because it may take me a day or so to get to the haul, because I did this on Sunday and it is now Wednesday. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know down below, do you frequent Marshalls? And do you go beyond the red tags? Because I'm looking like I shouldn't have. But that pot is worth it. Worth every penny. And let me know if you're interested in any other kinds of content in the comment comment section below. I do thank you again for watching. I remind you to plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. Prep and pray more than ever. Prep and pray. Because I love you all to life. I want to see us all survive out here and thrive. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.